mode. In email and message, there will be an option to take a print email template and also the message template in the PDF format. So for that, let me get into the settings. Under technical, we can see an emails. So let me get into the one of the email. Okay. Under print menu, we can see an email template option available. Let's print that one. It will be print an email format in the PDF format. Okay. Here you can see an email informations will be there, and from to reply to, and also the body content is also available right here. So like the same way we can print and message template as well. So for that,